Paul here. So first of all, thank you for tuning in to this video and checking out my channel. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, right next to that subscribe button is a little bell. Click that bell because anytime I put out any content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You might want to check that out because you got some value from the last one. So with that, we're going to jump right into this one. Doing a review of some of the newest changes and updates that Royaltie has done to their back office and just their platform in general. This one's going to be a little bit more of a it's little minute upgrades, but it's huge in the same point. So as you can see, my face right here is up higher than usually it is at the bottom, because what we're going to show you right now is this right here. This little button right here is actually, oh, let's move this over. Boom. Haha. So, right here, you'll see all this just popped up. It's this little button right here. You can close it, you can open it. Little chat button. They improved this. This is their back office live chat. You can do some live chat with them during their hours of operation. Also, you can it has notifications on here, and you can create new conversations. Live video chat support, and also they have how-to videos. This is awesome. You can search for articles on Royaltie and what they have back there. But this is awesome because a lot of people, especially with starting a new platform, or you're using a new software or anything like that, you need that kind of help, or you want them to be able to navigate through it so that you can actually figure out what you're doing. I've had people call me up all the time, and I keep myself available to all my friends, people who sign up Royaltie, and just for training purposes to help them out. People who comment on my videos and how do you do this, and how do you do that? Because helping, you got to help people to get where they need to be successful. So this right here is actually a awesome feature that they have. So if I want to, I can actually click start a video chat with their live support. They will, and I've used it before. I have a video on that in the past. You just go back to my channel and look at my past video. I think it's called Royaltie Live Zoom Support. So go ahead and check that one out. But it's pretty awesome and it's pretty detailed, and they help you. And that's just mind blowing that a company has live chat support during the hours of operation that they can help you with, not just with any problems you have. They help you with creating an ad, navigating through your back office. Help, like if you're not tech. I get a lot of people say, "Hey, I'm not tech savvy. I can't do this." Well, the platform's simple enough that you can actually, if you can use a smartphone, you're good. But there's still those people that things can be overwhelming. I understand that. That's what this is for. This is actually help you when, let's say, your upline or somebody who your sponsor isn't available at that time because things happen. The company says, hey, we got you. We're going to help you out with this one. And they will help you out with that with live chat support. So that's one major thing. They got videos, so if you don't want to deal with nobody, you don't want to wait, you can just watch the videos. How to create a landing page, how to create an email campaign, and that's going to be the next video that I talk about too. How to set up your ad, and there's more videos on and on. It goes to another page. Look at all this. All this stuff just right down here. Let's add up. Contact section explain. It goes on and on. So guys, they're constantly coming out with ways to help you to make sure that you're successful so that you're not hung up and you're not like, oh, I don't know what to do. This doesn't work for me, or I can't do this, because anyone can do this. That's what this platform is for. That's why I give so much emphasis to this platform, because anyone is for it. The people who say, I can't do this, I can't market, it's too much, costs too much, it's too confusing, it's too difficult. This is not that. This is the opposite, and that's what all this is for. It's to help you be successful, to pave the path to success for your future and your business. So big ups to Royaltie on this minor feature, but major feature. So I want to share that with you guys, show you how it is, and it's pretty cool. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Hope you guys got a lot of value from this. If you have some concerns or some questions, feel free to contact me at 925-752-8897. My number is also in the description below. Call me up, say what's going on. If you have any questions, concerns, I would love to answer those for you. So with that, guys, you guys have a great one. Take care and be blessed.